I'm gonna share with you the toppers of all toppers for pancakes, banana-orange butter flambéed pancakes. So we have my delicious imported salted butter. You just get half of that block in. We're gonna do 1.5 cups of brown sugar. We're gonna zest 1 orange. It's easier to zest when they're really cold. Then we're going to juice 1 orange. Squeeze that in. And then we're gonna go ahead and turn it on high. Okay, we're getting our bubbles going. I'm gonna chunk up our banana. And we don't wanna cook the bananas too much because they're already ripe. We're gonna put in 1/2 cup of brandy. And once the flame goes out, that's when all of the alcohol has burned off. And I'll be right back with a plate of pancakes. What better way to have breakfast than with bananas, orange, flambe, butter sauce.